Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing a very important video. What is going to happen right now? Is the recession coming right now? Is Bitcoin going to have a wave 5? And also how low are we going to go down with Bitcoin when a recession hits? Of course, before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates about this crazy cryptocurrency market and stock market as well. Guys, straight away I want to show you about Bitcoin. The situation looks very good. Bitcoin is right now hanging around $61,000 to $59,000. You can see it's just going up and down. And of course, guys, if you are a trader, if you understand the volatility, when to go long, when to go short, you probably made lots of money. Like, for example, guys, in our VIP group, every single day, guys, we are printing so much money. I can show you like a few results, from here. Just yesterday, guys, you can see our members long in the market, short in the market, and making those kind of results every single day. One of my members here, 156%. And the reason why we're able to make all this money, guys, is because we know exactly when to get in and when to get out. Of course, we don't care if the market crashes, if the market goes up. We make money either way. We can see over here altcoin analysis, Bitcoin analysis, trading calls every day, crypto chat, guys. If you want to make money, if you are an investor trader, that's the way, that's the place to be. So many professional traders over here. We are making a killing nowadays. So if you want to join, guys, link in the description below and in the comments as well. So, guys, Bitcoin at the moment is into a critical situation. We're still into this chart over here, and that's what I'm expecting for the next few months. So I'm expecting that the Fed in September is going to, I would say, 99% cut interest rates. And there are a few reasons. One of them I'm going to show you today, which is completely crazy. And you can see that right now, we are pumping towards this level of resistance over here. Now, it's quite, I would say, difficult to understand if we're going to see one more leg to the downside, potentially going down to $43,000 to $44,000. But after that, I'm expecting us to form our final wave 5 from here and reach this box around here. The reason why, guys, I am placing a box over here is because it's very difficult to say which is going to be which, in the sense of lots of people, they give you this prediction to say, oh yeah, it's going to go up to 110, 115. But if you actually have a look at the Fibonacci extension, you can see that the first level is just going to bring us from here is actually at $89,000, whereas the second level of Fibonacci is roughly around 108. So one of those, in my opinion, is going to be hit. So Bitcoin could be going around this area over here to complete a wave 5 in general, in between, I would say, let's say in between November, December 2024 and February, March 2025. And then people are asking me what's going to be happening later. Guys, I'm going to show you straight away this, which is completely crazy. Non-farm payrolls revision. So the Federal Reserve added 800,000 more jobs, which were not even true. And they made you believe that from March 2023 to March 2024, the economy was doing well. Whereas all these jobs were not there, which is completely insane. So pretty much, what is actually telling us here is that the economy is way weaker than what we are expecting. There are now 4 indicators who are telling us that the economy is weakening, that the recession is about to come. And guys, the recession could be coming because of deflation, because we are now into deflation. It could be coming because of unemployment rate ramping higher. And if you have a look at the history, guys, every asset went down except from gold. And somebody might argue, is Bitcoin going to survive this recession? The clear answer is, in my opinion, no, because Bitcoin is still a digital, like a risk asset. It's a tech stock. That's what it is right now. It's not digital gold like so many people think, not as for now. So in case of a recession, you really have to think about it, selling some of your holdings, and not financial advice. But that's what I'm going to do with my VIP group, with our community, guys. We are going to probably sell a lot around this area over here, because then what I could be expecting could be, as I already said, I'm going to show you with a brush, wave number 1, then we have, 1 over here, we have 2 over here, 3 over here, 4 over here, and then we're going to go into 5. And after wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we're going to have a correction from here, a B, and the C. And the C, guys, can go exactly in line with the lowest points from here in 2020, lowest point in 2022, and it's going to bring us roughly around here. And the price, we could be seeing Bitcoin retracing down to roughly $32,000 to $30,000. I wouldn't be surprised if that is not going to happen. So that's what I'm expecting, I would say, for the next 3 to 6 months with Bitcoin. I could be completely wrong. You could be going to 300,000 and stay there forever. But I believe that with the recession, which looks like is about to come, we have to be very, very careful. So at the moment over here, the only thing we need to evaluate, that I'm evaluating right now, is going to be, is Bitcoin going to have another crash in September? Usually September, in terms of seasonality, is a very bad time, or are we going to see a potential break of this area from here, go to 87K, and then have this correction straight away, like this crash over here? So many questions right now that, of course, are going to be cleared in the next, I guess, few months. But that's what I can see right now. Are we going to see a crash from here, or Bitcoin just going down this way? That could also be a possibility, right? Unlikely, but definitely could happen. But in my opinion, that's what I think is going to be happening. We're going to see a drop down to here, maybe one more leg down to 40, 33, 43, 44, push up wave 5 to 85 to 90K, even as high as 100, then A, B, C correction, and then from here, a start of a new cycle. And the new cycle could bring us probably to, who knows, 2026, 27, maybe above 150, $200,000. Guys, also I want to show you as well about other indicators which are very important. The S&P 500, guys. Look at the extension of the S&P, completely overbought. People going into like a euphoria right now. And also, I believe that the S&P is going to form right now what we call a wave 5. Wave 5, we can see, like, we had 1, 2, 3. Now we had a 4 over here, and then the 5 should be completed and go roughly around this area over here. So I could be expecting a target in between 6,000 and 6,500 for the S&P 500. And then after that, again, very similar to what we said before, we could be seeing another ABC correction. And the ABC correction for the S&P 500 could be also incredibly crazy. If Bitcoin is going to lose 70%, I would say the S&P could have a crash at least down to this area here, maybe 4,700, 4,600, if not, even down to 3,400. I guess it's going to be something like this, maybe A and B and the C correction, maybe down to this area over here, 4,800, and then we're going to see if we're going to continue to go down. I mean, if this happens, guys, I'm really scared to see what is going to be happening with Bitcoin, but definitely, guys, this is a possibility. And then from there, a new cycle will start. And the last one I want to show you guys, DXY as well. The Fed is going to cut interest rates. The US dollar should lose lots of value from here. So what I'm expecting right now from here as well, continuation down to this area, 94, 95 for the DXY. And then if we're going to hit a recession, guys, and people are going to start to sell their assets, I can see the USD to really surge like crazy. And of course, looking at this channel, which had helped us for the last, for like a very, very long time, you can see the first pivotal point here in 2001, 2002. I would be expecting, in case of a crisis, a recession, to reach this level over here by probably August, September 2025, a DXY of, I would say, 120, even as high as 125. That's what I'm expecting right now. Guys, I really hope I didn't scare you today, but that's what I think it can be happening right now. So I don't think we have lots of time left in our pocket. So really think about like an exit plan on how to get out. Some people are saying that we're going to see $300,000 Bitcoin. I tend to disagree with that, but I think still a wave 5 is in the cards. And of course, our season is going to come when we're going to see this first A correction of BTC from maybe 100,000 to 70,000. We should be seeing our season to start as well. So very interesting times, guys. Of course, as I said before, if you are a trader, you know how to long and short the market and play with the volatility. That should not scare you. It should make you very excited. But of course, if you're not, you need to join the VIP, guys, because it's going to really help you to understand better where we are, what to do, and how to do it as well. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope it was helpful. And if you have a question, leave a comment down below. But otherwise, I'm going to see you in the next video.